Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to customize volume bars in Zenfone 11 Ultra. How you can see, volume bars are default now. I can customize them by downloading an app called Volume Styles. Let's press on install and open. Now we can choose our style, whichever we'd like. I will choose the wave one and press on start. We have to give a permission for accessibility service, so I'm gonna do it right now. Press on it to enable, allow, yes, I agree. And now, how you can see, my volume bar has been changed. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and see you next time.